this was pretty chill. She got that weird phone call about kill slutty something. I slit their throat.
Slit your wrists. Slit them. Run it. I think she's doing her best like Metallica impression.
Alright.
No. Oh my god! Holy shit! Fuck that! What the fuck was that?
Oh my god, the room's fucking bad.
Oh no 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 no!
Can you go to the light switch? Please go find
Where's
the
light switch?
I don't know. I don't know where the light switch is. Oh my god. Go over there, over there, over there.
Oh shit! I shut the door.
Oh my dad.
Did I shut the door?
No. You're not even over there. Oh my god, I pissed myself.
The